Can't even see his face. Where were you? Where were you? Where were you? Bro, you got blood on your nose. How much coke did you do? You got some dry blood around here. Worry about it.
Oh fuck!
My dick cold.
Hey guys, welcome to the first vlog. We're at school right now. We're almost at the end of first period in chemistry. This is Lisa, Alex, Bella, and
I was thinking you can't do that.
we're on the end of first period, obviously, and we're on our way to second period. The bell's about to ring in like 3 minutes. So the bell just rang and walked in the hallway, and it's just kind of awkward because yeah, straight up, it's kind of awkward in the halls.
Hey, hallway.
And people are like looking at me all weird. And yeah, I know this is gonna be a boring vlog because this is a school vlog,
And it's our first vlog.
it's our first vlog too, actually. And I'm like making all of this up on the spot. You feel?
Yeah,
Because it's a vlog life.
you'll
It's the
see lots
vlog
of me
life.
because I'm his favorite, and I love him.
It's the vlog life. Look, we're walking in a circle right now.
This is the worst part of school.
Yeah, this is the worst part of school.
It's funny.
It sucks. Look. Yeah, it's the worst part of school. It's really crowded and it's like really slow. People are walking like so slow sometimes, and nobody's gonna get a class. It's crazy. See that vlogging life? Everybody's like looking at me really weird. Holy shit. Yeah,
He's walking me to class.
I have to walk with her to every single class.
Yeah.
You're gonna see her a lot. This whole school vlogging is here a lot. So
We would say outside of school, but he doesn't, want to hang out with me outside of school. She knows I'm going to be in a fight.
so many teachers around just looking at me. What's up, guys? We're in third period right now. Spanish class.
That's the
And we have Josh in the cut. Alex.
Alex. It's Alex.
Mama Court. Emma.
Fish to call.
Such a random vlog.
Fish to call. Dad,
We're vlogging.
catch me doing this, Dad. Just kidding. Clickbait, she pressed the button. Don't press the button. It's just for clickbait.
It's just for clickbait, miss. Come on.
And then
We want them viewers.
Is it
We want them viewers, yeah. It's a flash.
Can I take a picture of you?
No, because we're vlogging. It's vlogging.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, we're vlogging. It's the end of fourth period, and it's really bright out here. Or wait, what? Is it really third period?
Yes.
All right, it's fourth period.
Yeah, we got Mr. Rogers up in here. The sweater. I don't know who that is. You don't know who Mr. Oh, don't talk.
You don't know who Mr. Roger is?
Yeah, you haven't had a childhood. Go away.
You don't know who Mr. Roger is?
If you know what cyber chase is, cyber chase.
I don't know what that is either.
How do you not know who Mr. Roger is?
I don't know.
Mr. Rogers was the GOAT.
He's like classic PBS. He's such a classic PBS show. We're vlogging. It's about that vlogging.
Fucking.
You just trip on that
Wait, are
little.
you vlogging?
Yeah, we're vlogging.
Yeah,
I don't want to be in it. What the fuck?
Hey, we're on YouTube, nigga. You already know.
Faggy. Why you gotta be such a faggot? Oh wait, demonetized right there. I just said the F word.
You gotta edit that out, you know.
Yeah, I gotta edit that out
Fucking
now.
faggot frog ass bitch.
Hey, I'm not gonna get any money out of this. Demonetized.
No ads. You ain't get no ads. Imagine just walking on the sidewalk, you turn left, you see anything with the camera, just like, hey guys, what's up?
You're in the mall and shit, like.
I'm at the mall, I'm like
this.
this.
Faggot. What is he? My real height is 4'11", so don't call me short.
No, my real height is 4'9" actually.
Oh, look.
And these guys are like 6 foot, so.
Yeah.
I'm in high heels right now, so.
And if you ain't got a 2-inch long, you ain't gonna last long.
I wanted you to blur my face. I live this, you know.
Go Mr. Rogers' face. Yo, this spider nigga.
How do you not know who Mr. Rogers is?
How do you not, dude? If you don't go somewhere, bro. Go to like back to the. Early
Go on
2000s.
YouTube real quick and just search up Mr. Rogers.
You know they made a ripoff of Mr. Rogers.
What is
It's a cartoon. It's like a tiger.
Oh, Daniel Tiger.
Yeah, there you go. Got a little faggot.
Wait, alright, Mr. Roberts is
No, Mr.
lion.
Rogers.
He's a lion, right?
Yeah, Mr. Rogers is not a lion. He's a real person.
He's the GOAT. What do you mean? What are you talking about?
And Daniel Tigers is just a cartoon.
When he dropped that puppet show, oh my god, that was lit.
Oh my god. No, okay. I don't have anything.
What is your YouTube channel?
Are you dead?
No, I'm not dead.
Crawl in
We're all
there.
in. Get on. Go pull up on
I wish I could.
You will never find me. Dad, what is your YouTube channel?
Hey guys, so we're at lunch. There's Lauren.
Shit, there's someone.
There's Henry. Matthew. Jay. Cameron.
Lauren. Shelby. Okay, hella fuck. Why do you look like such a fucking clickbait? It's because you're green, that's why. I don't even know what's happening right now.
Stop. This is going to Chardonnay, bitch.
No.
Damn
it. Yeah, go right there.
Henry. Oh, what do you have there?
Water.
Yeah, I feel like. Do you like water?
It's your water bottle, so you know what?
Dude, no one goes there. That's exciting.
I have sexual assault charges on me. 3 girls. I'm fighting in present day time with all of them.
Where are you? Don't go in the ocean.
Okay, Matthew, what have you been up to? I'm not gonna go in the ocean.
Watching y'all two be stupid, spending like a couple thousand on this retarded camera.
Oh shit.
We're zooming in now, I think.
Fuck,
Oh wait,
me
hold on, I'm
too.
gonna put some clout.
If you find help, I need it.
Gage, I took some too.
Just
So Matthew, what have you been up to lately? Can I shoot you? Oh, really?
She said with the head.
Now I'm gonna rape this bitch.
Shelby, what are you playing there? Fortnite. Oh, are you good at it? Yeah.
Shelby, you look.
I found it. Chase.
Our school's in a rough part of town.
Oh, I found some good things.
What kind of good things?
What was your question?
If you could go anywhere in the world, where would you go? I found bandages.
To this girl's house, her name
all
is
you can
Jessica
and then
Figueroa, and I love her.
We're gonna blurt that out.
What a gamer girl.
She's a gamer girl.
Stop.
Can you stop? I'm gonna get demonetized.
You're gonna get demonetized for having hair in the back, bro.
YouTube doesn't like it when people blow greasy breath inside your mic. It's monetized.
You have hella acne scars, dude.
I'm gonna go to Riscom's thing. I'm gonna tap.
What?
What is it that you do so you could monetize other YouTubers?
What you just did. You just went like.
Face up, guys. Yeah, guys, y'all don't even know that I was invited to the Face House. I'm one of the Face members.
I'm gonna get demonetized. Stop.
They call me Phase Dragma.
It's the end of the vlog, and we will see you.
And the end of the day.
Yep. And we will see you next time.
That's it for this video.